Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Now, encephalitis. In the encephalitis are actually more commonly encephalitis are caused by viruses. So, if you see the one-liners, what is the most common cause of sporadic viral? What is the most common cause of sporadic viral encephalitis? Human herpes simplex virus 1 is the most common type of sporadic viral encephalitis. Then, if you were asked what is the most common cause of epidemic viral encephalitis, the most common cause of epidemic viral encephalitis is arbovirus is the most common cause of epidemic viral encephalitis. If it was asked what is the most common cause of viral meningitis, most common cause of viral meningitis is enterovirus is the most common cause of viral meningitis. Okay, now what are the other viruses? Now one more thing. What is the, if you were asked what is the most common cause of aseptic meningitis? The most common cause of aseptic meningitis is herpes simplex virus 2, and this aseptic meningitis is also called as mollaret meningitis. Okay, then what are the other viruses which can cause meningitis? We can other viruses like Japanese encephalitis, okay, which is actually an arbovirus, can cause meningitis. Actually it can also cause encephalitis. Okay, it can cause encephalitis, it causes encephalitis. Similarly, we have Nipah virus, which is a member of paramyxovirus family member. So this Nipah virus, which is a paramyxovirus family member, also causes encephalitis.
thank you and thank you for watching.